The total station editor lets you either edit an imported set of data, or you can actually key in data. So if you go to the survey tab and select total station editor, your keyed in and imported files are listed here. So if you want to edit the existing file that's been imported, you can click on there and you can check the instrument height. You can look at the coordinates of the stations and the code and the elevations and so on, even look at the observations. So here you can see the information, and again you can change some of your constants and stuff if needed. Now if I go back to the total station editor and select the keyed in total station file, then basically here you can set up and key in a new file or new setup. So I can start by putting in a station setup or even doing a resection. So if I go to station setup, I can put in an instrument name, the code, the instrument height, and I can key in the coordinates, or you can see it's actually pulling from that point because that point exists. I can go next, and then it's going to ask me for my backsite name. And again, the code, you can see as soon as I click there, it adds it. It computes the backsite. I can put the backsite height in here. And then the method of keying in is angles and distance. And I can click next and basically set up, so it's setting up the manual observation. So my horizontal angle is 0. You can put in the slope distance, whatever that happens to be, and store that point. Then you're able to come in and actually start calculating or putting in the rest of the data. As you can see down here, you can add a station, add an observation, or delete a station. So if you add an observation, you can put in the point number, the code, the target height, and then enter in the angles and distance. So point number might be 5,000, code might be EP, and I can enter in angles or angles and distances. So then I can key in the coordinate or key in the coordinate. So if you happen to know the coordinate, you can key it in. But I want to do angles and distance. We'll go next. And then you can enter in your angle and distance, and you can click on this to measure another, so on. So you can key in your data this way.